want to do first is press the on button so it switches the camera on. If you want to zoom in and out, just move the slider that I'm pointing at either to the right or the left. To change to white balance setting, go onto function and select the white balance option. You will then see 4 different white balance settings. Choose your desired setting and exit this screen. To record a video, press the silver and red button. You will then see a red dot appear that indicates that you are recording. To stop recording, press the same button as you did before and a green image will appear to indicate that the recording has stopped. To access your recorded clips, press this button with the 2 arrows. This screen will then appear where you can access all of your recorded clips. To exit, press on the same button as you did before, and as you can see, the screen goes back to live mode. To connect your camera to the iMac, firstly you need to connect the USB cable to the keyboard as I'm demonstrating here. Then connect the other end of the USB cable to the specified slot in the camera. Once you've done this, select the same button as you did before, and then when this menu appears, select All for PC only. This screen will then appear where it says creating thumbnails, and you can skip this if you would like to. Once this screen appears, you are then ready to start importing your footage into iMovie. To start importing footage into iMovie, first select iMovie from the iMac desktop. iMovie will then appear. Once you have entered iMovie, this screen will appear where you can see all of the footage from your camera that is connected to your iMac. You can either check all footage or uncheck it to be able to select your desired clips that you want. You can then scroll through the clips and select the ones that you would like to import. Then once you have selected your desired clips, then just press the box that says import checked and they will start importing straight away. This dialog box will then appear where you can either add your selected footage to an existing project, or if you do not wish to do this, you can create a new project by selecting create a new event and then change the name if you would like. Once you have done this, then just select import. This box will then appear again. Once this is done, a box will appear telling you that is complete. Then select OK and then select done, and your footage will finally be imported to your new project. To make a selection, all you do is click and drag on the desired amount of footage that you would like to put into your project, and then drag this into the top box and it will be ready to preview. If you're not happy with the length of your clip, you can always trim it by just clicking and dragging on the desired amount that you would like to get rid of, and right click and then select delete section, and as you can see, the time of the clip has gone down by 1 second. If you want to add titles, then just click on the box with the T, and then you can choose whatever title you would like to add into your project from this selection. And then once you have decided, just click and drag it onto the desired footage that you would like to put it over, or you can put it separately if you want to. Once you have added the title, you then have the option of changing the text, which I have done for the purpose of this video. You can also change the font of your text if you would like to by selecting something from this box. Once you have done this and made your selection for your font, then just select done and your text will be added into your video just the way that you would like it to. Your project is now complete and you can watch an overview by clicking on the spacebar. First select GarageBand, then select a new project, and then you can choose what type of project you want to create. For the sake of this, I've chosen loops. Then you can choose what you would like to name your project by typing into that box, and also where you would like to save it. I've chosen GarageBand and then press create. GarageBand will then open. To add a track, go to the selection of instruments on the right hand side, and I've chosen bass, and then choose whatever instrument you would like to add in. I've chosen alternative rock bass, and then drag it and it will go into your track. You can then either keep your selection there or move it, or you can edit it by making it longer or repeating itself like I've done there. To save your track, go to save as and then name it whatever you'd like to call it. And then once you've chosen the name, just press save. When you go to exit GarageBand, you'll be presented with this dialog box asking if you'd like to save your project with an iLife preview. Press yes, as this will then import your track into iMovie, and then you are done.